Hello guys, this is my newest project, which is a 750 watts hub motor. It's geared also, so it's not just a hub motor, it's geared inside. And it will work with 48 volts battery, 13S, and I will try to make it work in next months to test it out on a mountain bike frame. And the reason why I have ordered this motor is it was under $200. Yes, under $200. So I think it's worth testing. But I have heard the motor is good for the price, so I will give it a try. Okay, thanks for watching and stay tuned for my newest project.